Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. All right, here is your next Khan Academy. You need to find the mistake. So they solved a two-step equation right here, as you can see. And in here, there may or may not have been a mistake, and you have to try and find that. So you got to go through and see. See, in this case, it looks like their first step is that they distributed. So they multiplied the negative 3 times e. Does that equal negative 3e? Yeah, it does. How about negative 3 times negative 2? Does that equal positive 6? Yes, it does. So it looks like step 1 is just fine. So then step 2. Let's see, it looks like they canceled this positive 6. Well, how do you cancel a positive 6? You subtract 6. So whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. So if we subtracted 6 here to get to 0, that looks good. And if we subtract 6 from 9, 9 minus 6 would be 3. Oh, it equals 15. They added 6 to this side. So it's right here in step 2 where they made their mistake. Let's try one more here. All right. On this one, let's see here. Notice how they went from 2 to 20. It looks like their first step wasn't to distribute, but rather they just simply took and divided this by 0.1, and they divided this by 0.1. That is a legal move. It's not the one I would recommend you do. Normally we would want to distribute, but this isn't find their not recommended move. This is find a mistake. And dividing by 1 right away is not a mistake. So when you divide by 1, the 1's will cancel, as they did. And 2 divided by 0.01, if you do that on the calculator, it actually does equal 20. So far, step 1 is correct. Now, let's see, it looks like they canceled out this plus 6. So how do you cancel plus 6? You subtract 6, or add a negative 6. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. 20 plus negative 6, well, that is 14. So far we're doing good. Now it looks like we have to get rid of this 0.05, which is being multiplied by m. So we're going to divide by 0.05. 14 divided by 0.05 is 28. Oh, they got 7. It looks like they multiplied by 0.05 to get to here. They needed to divide by 0.05. So you definitely want to be careful. They try to be a little tricky on these. But this one right here looks like step 3 is where they screwed up by multiplying one side. That's all we got for you today, guys. Good luck. Check your answers with me at Google Hangouts. See ya. Bye-bye.